What's up? What's up? Nataron sa North Wing na cosplayer here, mga cosplayer.
Nagwapa ba nagpa-picture?
Picture na! Video na! Oy, dinosaur! Dinosaur! Oh, no! Cosplayer ha?
Bro! Abang lumo! Putik lang!
Wala! Gana na rin mga cosplayer ha? Dari sa likod. Picture mo. Dari. Gan guys sa ilaw. Oh, cosplayer. Yo, what's up guys? Mga tanang, mga anime. Nadari. Sagul, apil lang. Lang Marvel araw. Nasa Jikuan na rin. Spider-Man.
Kita mo sa surfboard.
Oh, naalang si Power Rangers.
Dito kaya TV monitor. Niligid ito nga.
Bangis-bangis kayo lang mga karakter.
Ito may imong kuhan, cosplay.
Kuhan ko, katong upcoming kuhan production sa ABCBN ba? Si Darna. Darna mga. So ako ang gay version ni Darna. Darno ako. Darno.
Lahing ba ito yung kuhan nun?
Oh, lahing ba ito? Katong puti. Ay, mamali naman. Ay, picture na, picture. Bro, unsay karakter ni ma bro? League of Legends na. Lamat, ayos. Dara Iron Man. Crystal Maiden ka ma'am no? Crystal Maiden. Si Iron Man. Black Panther. Sa Black Panther. Iron Man. How's the Avenger Infinity War?
Well, it didn't work out so good for us Avengers.
Yeah.
But as you can see, I got a little beat up.
Oh.
But maybe I'll do better in the next one.
Okay, so
Okay,
would you beat the Thanos?
Yeah, me and Thanos in round 2. I'm gonna take him this time.
Oh yeah, great.
He's gonna wish he didn't let me live.
Yeah. See you. Okay. Oh, right. Spider-Man. Hey, Spider-Man, how's the Avengers Infinity War? Did you beat Thanos? Huh? Okay. Oh, wait, picture. Alright. So cool, man. Yeah. Miss, kinsay mong character?
Much very light sa FJO.
Ikaw, Miss, kinsay mong character?
Black Lady, Sailor Moon.
Okay. Miss, ikaw, kinsay mong character?
Marky Doji.
Okay. Nice. The Avengers. Marvel. Bro, kinsay mong character, bro? Jack. No. No speech. Ma'am, kinsay mong character, ma'am?
Tara, Teen Titans.
Nakani si Gon, Marshmallow. Joke.
Capcom is great.
Oh, no, dili siya matabi.
Ano
Grabe, bangis talaga ng mga Avenger. Daming magka-picture.
Ito na yun.
Bro, imo ang sa character bro. Dark Elf. Dark Elf. Murang skin sin. Ayos.